Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through the attendance module. The attendance module helps you manage employee clock-ins and clock-outs directly from the back office. This is useful for tracking when employees start and end their shifts, maintaining attendance records, and making sure employee work hours are recorded properly. Before employees can start using attendance, each employee needs to have a 4-digit PIN assigned to them. This PIN is used whenever they clock in or clock out. To begin, head over to the HR section and open Attendance module, or just use the Smart Search instead. Once the Attendance module opens up, you will see all the employees that you have already been created in your employees list. Each employee card will show their name, profile image if available, and their current clock in or clock out status. Before an employee can use the attendance system, you will need to set up a 4-digit PIN. To do this, click on the employee card. A PIN setup window will appear. Over here, you can either create a PIN for the employee yourself or allow them to provide their preferred PIN. Enter the new PIN and confirm that PIN. Once the PIN is set, the employee will use this code every time they clock in or clock out. Employees can clock in and out from their own back office access if they have the login access. Or if you're using a tablet or attendance screen at the entrance or counter for employees to clock in and out, you can even do that from one shared attendance screen. To use the attendance screen in full screen mode, click Start Attendance on the top right. This will open the attendance screen where employees can search their name and select their employee card and enter their 4-digit PIN to clock in and out. At the top, there is a search bar that makes it easy to find employees quickly, especially if you have a large employee list. You will also see the Always On option. When Always On is enabled, the attendance screen remains active on the device. This is helpful if you are using a tablet or shared device for employee attendance. For security, if someone tries to go back from the screen, they will need to enter the back office password. Since only the owner or authorized user should have that password, employees cannot leave the attendance screen and access the back office. This helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps attendance stations secure. Once the employees start clocking in and out, their attendance activity will be recorded, helping you track employee work hours more accurately. You can also use the option on the top right to sort the list or export attendance information if needed. And that's how you can use the attendance module to set up employees PIN, allow secure clock in, clock out, and manage employee attendance from the back office. That's it from me for the attendance module. I'll see you guys in our next video.